Here's q326 with unknown amount of cars. The freight train q326, here it comes right now. And look at that, dude. Gonna be dinging right here on 26 right now. I betcha. There they go. They're gonna ding them right on these guys. Here he comes, guys, right now. Hear the ding dings, the ding. Oh, that dude just cut the gate. What an idiot. Just make sure it's just right. Here it comes. Unknown amount of cars. This will be the end of the video, guys. By the way, Bruce Moose, one of the YouTubers, I made this video just for you. So there you go. If you're watching, Bruce Moose, I hope you like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.